Good day everyone, my name is Mac Alroysi Badar and I'm a second year computer science student studying at Gordon College, Olongapo City. And I'm going to share my OJT experience at Rai Construction and Development Corporation. So konting backstory lang kung paano ako napunta sa company na to. Meron akong pinsan na nagtatrabaho doon and nasabihan ko siya na magkakaroon kami ng OJT ng mid-year, which is after ng second year. Pabiro kong nasabi sa kanya na doon na lang ako mag-OJT kahit na hindi applicable since irrelevant siya sa course ko and baka IT company ang ipahanap ng school. So before mag-start ng mid-year is hindi ako sure kung tutuloy ako doon. Until sabihin ni sir na soft skills lang ang need maipakita at doon ako nag-decide na tumuloy. Nagpatulong ako sa bayaw ko kung anong mga requirements ang need ipasa together with the school requirements para makapag-apply sa company. So yan, nagpasa ako ng resume, application letter at endorsement letter galing sa school. At yung personalized letter of intent as ay katunayan na gusto kong maging OJT applicant sa company na yon. So the day na nagpasa ako, which is Friday, is gladly inaccept naman ni Ma'am HR at sinabihan niya ako na makakapag-start na ako by Monday, which is by June 30, 2025. So yan, disclaimer lang na I would like to apologize for not taking daily vlogs dahil sa una, nahihiya ako dahil sobrang professional ng working environment. At pangalawa, is very confidential at hindi pwedeng i-disclose yung mga pinapagawa sa akin. So as an alternative, I will just have my summary by uploading weekly vlogs together with the compilation of accomplishments na naka-blur na lang siguro para to protect the company's privacy. And then thank you and I hope you understand and you enjoy watching my vlogs. Bye bye!